Hello, and welcome to Lucky English for Beginners. In today's lesson, you will listen to a real-life English conversation at a shopping mall. Two friends go shopping together. They buy clothes, shoes, gadgets, food, and books. You will learn useful everyday English for shopping, asking prices, making choices, ordering food, and speaking naturally with friends. The conversation is easy, clear, and practical, perfect for beginner English learners. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and try to speak along. Let's start learning English the easy and fun way with Lucky English for Beginners.
Wow, this place is huge. Where should we start? Clothes, shoes, or electronics?
Clothes first. I need a new jacket for winter.
Good idea. Let's check that store over there. They enter a clothing store. Ooh, look at this one. It's so warm and stylish.
How does it look? Too big?
No, perfect fit. The color suits you. How much is it?
Checking tag, $85. A bit expensive.
Ask for a discount. There's a sale sign.
Excuse me, is there any discount on this jacket?
Yes, 20% off today.
Great, I'll take it.
Nice buy. My turn. Shoes. I want comfortable sneakers. They move to a shoe store. These feel amazing, like walking on clouds.
They look cool, too. Try the black ones.
White is better. Size 8 fits perfectly.
Price?
$60. Not bad. I'll buy them.
2 purchases already. Now gadgets. I need a new phone case.
They enter an electronics accessory shop.
This clear one is nice, or the colorful?
Colorful. Matches your jacket.
True. How much?
Shop assistant. $25, but buy one, get a screen protector half price.
Deal. I'll take both.
Smart. I want wireless earbuds. The sound is so clear. Battery life good? Up to 20 hours. Perfect for gym. I'll buy these. $90? Yes, with 1-year warranty. Sold.
Carrying bags. Hungry now? Food court?
Yes, I want pizza. At the food court.
I'll get burgers. Large or medium?
Large pizza. Margarita.
To the counter. 1 large margarita pizza and a cheeseburger combo, please.
That's $28. Cash or card?
Card.
My treat next time.
Deal. Now books. I saw a bookstore.
In the bookstore. Mystery or romance?
Mystery for me. This one looks good.
Picking a romance novel. This has great reviews. $15 each?
Yes. Buy both?
Definitely. Perfect end shopping.
At checkout. 2 books, please.
That's $30. Bag?
Yes, thanks.
Carrying more bags. Best shopping day ever.
Totally. New jacket, shoes, gadgets, food, books. What next?
Coffee to celebrate.
Yes, let's go.
Great day with you.
Always.